Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming two essentials, a Microsoft account and an internet connection. Once those are ready, open your phone's store. Tap Install on Microsoft OneDrive, then launch the app immediately. When prompted, sign in with your account, enter your password, and complete two-factor authentication if required. Make sure to allow the app to access storage and camera. These permissions let you upload photos and save files. Once done, the app shows basic folders and a Get Started tour. Skip or follow it briefly to proceed. Now you'll add and organize content. First, enable camera uploads in settings if you want automatic photo backup. This saves time and prevents loss. To upload manually, open a folder, tap the plus icon, choose Upload, then pick photos or files from your phone. Create a new folder to keep things tidy and move items by selecting and choosing Move. Use the search bar and filter options to locate documents fast, and watch the tiny sync icons. Those tell you whether a file is uploaded, syncing, or needs attention. Finish by sharing and ensuring access where you need it. To share, select a file, tap Share, then choose Send Link or Invite People. Set view or edit permissions so recipients can only do what you allow. If you need offline access, mark files available offline. This downloads them to your phone and preserves access without a connection. If something goes wrong, files not syncing or uploads failing, check your internet and Microsoft storage quota first, then sign out and sign back in, or clear the app cache before reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.